Good day, guys. So today, we'll be unboxing the Airpods Pro. So I got this from Julieta. Yeah, probably sabihin nyo it's a bit too late to buy an Airpods Pro because the new Airpods Pro together with the new iPhone and Apple Watch is coming. Yes, but I need this primarily kasi for work since I'm doing a lot of uh, conference calls and I need something compatible sa iPhone ko and the MacBook. So I heard some mga reviews na it's okay. It's very much pretty much easy to use since it's all developed and manufactured by Apple. So yung accessibility and setup is pretty much easy and yeah. But also wanted to check yung sound quality because ako it's I'm a beach audiophile, so coming in from I used Sennheiser before headphones and also Bose, and pagdating naman sa audiophile and speakers I used Klipsch before. Probably some of you guys are not familiar with Klipsch, so it's an American company. They really do manufacture really good speakers, sound system. So yep, check natin kung ano ba to. So yeah, let's open up, box natin. Let's do what, scissor it. Inoferan din nga pala ako nila guys ng case, but I'll just probably get it from Shopee or Lazada. And, yep. So let's see what's inside the box. It's good. Can't wait na sa 13 eh. I mean sa new Airpods Pro. I think they're going to release it by September or announce it. Then a week after, available na siya sa market. But here in the Philippines, Southeast Asia, will take a while, and I got a good deal from the store for this, so ginrab ko na guys. So designed by Apple, California. Okay, so how to set it up. Okay, Bluetooth. Yep, some instructions manual. Let's see, sticker ba to? No, it's just okay. So let's see what we have here. So the device itself, wow, it's really small, handy, and is this lightning? I think so. Yep. Oh, okay. Small compared to the previous version. Yeah, it's kind of light, but at the same time okay yung build quality niya. So hindi siya cheap hawakan eh. So yeah, probably 601 Apple compared dun sa mga pirated, I guess. Okay siyang okay yung build quality niya. Yes. Yep. So as we have here, okay, may kasama na siya lightning to USB cable. Okay, same with iPhone 12 Pro Max, same lang din yung cable niya, plus yung charger. Okay, look nice. Now I'm not sure if gagana ba to dun sa fast charger ng Apple. I need to look at the some more documentation about it ba kasi masira yung battery. So what else do we have here? Yep, that's it. So guys, I'll just try listening some music, instrumental, classic, essentials, love songs, pop rock, hip hop, and check natin yung quality. So yep, that's it for now guys. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.